Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through the complete process of getting started with Mailchimp's free access, including how to set up your account, choose and customize free templates, and launch your very first email campaign. Whether you're looking to promote your business, run a newsletter, or just send out beautiful emails to your community, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to do it all using Mailchimp's free features. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Mailchimp website. If you've never used Mailchimp before, take a moment and create a free account. It only takes a few minutes, and you'll need it to access all the tools we're about to explore. Once you're logged in, you'll land right on the Mailchimp dashboard. It can look like there's a lot going on at first glance, but don't worry, we're going to take it step by step. To get started with a new campaign, look for the Campaigns option, usually found in the main menu on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click on that. Campaigns are basically the heart of what Mailchimp does. Think of them as the entire package that you'll be sending out, whether that's a simple newsletter or a major product announcement. Next, you'll want to click Create. This button is often highlighted, usually at the top right, making it easy to spot. When you hit Create, you'll see a few different options for what kind of campaign you want to build. For today's walkthrough, select Email. This is the classic Mailchimp feature, and it's the perfect place to start. Now you'll be asked to choose what type of email you want. There are a few variations, but for most users, regular is what you'll want to pick. A regular campaign gives you the standard formatting and content blocks, along with access to Mailchimp's wide selection of templates. At this point, give your campaign a name. I recommend something descriptive, for example, June newsletter or product launch announcement, so you can easily find it later if you need to make edits or track results. Naming things clearly is a small habit that will save you time as you manage more campaigns down the line. Once you've named your campaign, go ahead and click on Design Email. This is where the fun really starts, because you get to unleash your creativity. Here, Mailchimp offers you a selection of free templates to choose from. Don't be afraid to browse around a bit. Each template is designed for a different purpose, so you can pick one that matches your needs, whether you want something bold and eye-catching or simple and professional. Remember, you can always change your mind and preview different templates before you commit. Choose the template you like and simply click Apply. The screen will update to show you a preview of your chosen layout, and now it's time to make it yours. On the left side of the editor, you'll notice content blocks and style options. This is essentially your control panel. From here, you can drag and drop different sections, add your own text, images, buttons, even videos, whatever you need to get your message across. You can also tweak fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand or personal style. Take your time exploring these options, and remember, there's no rush. Experiment with different content blocks, and don't worry if it doesn't look perfect right away. You can always adjust as you go. Mailchimp's editor auto-saves your work, so you won't lose anything if you need to step away for a minute. And that's really it. Once you're happy with how your email looks, you're just a few clicks away from sending it out to your audience. You've just used Mailchimp's free resources to create a professional-looking campaign, ready to hit inboxes everywhere. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's something else you'd like to see in future tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.